Hi, this is Carrie with Trauma Services. Let's talk about illegal marijuana grow operations. While increased legalization of medical and recreational marijuana in recent years has been the primary focus, large-scale illegal marijuana growing operations are still extremely common. Unfortunately for property owners and managers, the presence of an illegal grow operation can pose a significant health and safety risk to the building as well as its inhabitants. Here are 3 common risks associated with illegal grow operations. Fire. Marijuana grow labs often require a significant amount of power to operate the extensive lighting and filtration systems. This sometimes requires upgraded electrical equipment to be installed to prevent overloading the current panel in the property. Not all growers are electricians, and if not installed correctly, the increased electrical current can cause a risk of fire in the event of a malfunction. Mold. Marijuana is very susceptible to mold growth in labs when humidity and moisture are not managed properly. Unlike a professional commercial growing operation, illegal grow ops often lack the proper ventilation and moisture management tools to prevent microbial growth. In addition, drywall, carpet, insulation, wood, and concrete in the space will all be affected by mold growth. Once mold growth impacts the building materials, it will require remediation. Chemicals. Chemicals and fertilizers are used to help promote the growth of the plants. These can be in powder and liquid form and can be hazardous if not managed correctly. If not contained properly, these chemicals can cause respiratory and eye irritation or even burning of the skin. If the wrong chemicals are mixed, off-gassing of harmful fumes can occur. In addition, aerosol accelerants often used to make THC products such as shatter, dabs, and wax are highly combustible and can result in increased fire risk. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. At Trauma Services, our technicians work with property owners and managers to remediate hazardous situations. Contact us today to learn how we can help.